Hey guys, today we're about to attempt to cut some toughened glass. Looked online, everyone says you can't cut it, but I'm going to try it because I've cut down a glass sliding door. So I've cut the frames down over there. So now I just need to cut this glass this much. Marked it out already. So I'm just using a really thin 5-inch diamond blade, and we'll see what happens. So I guess they're right.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
You can't cut toughened glass. As you can see, the first attempt wasn't that flash. I've got 2 bits of glass, so
Second attempt.
I'll give it another go.
Yeah, go.
I'm just trying really light. Just, yeah, I'll try extra light again and see what happens.
Maybe one time and
Yeah.
one time, not like before.
Here goes nothing. It's confirmed you can't cut toughened glass.